Hi everyone, welcome to Kalamandir. Today our collection is Benares Kora sarees with 30% of discount. In the description we provided links to every saree that I am showcasing in this episode. Just click on the saree codes, it directs our website and you can shop very easily. COD, that is cash on delivery option, is also available in India and shipping is free all over the India. Let's begin our today's show. The saree I am wearing is in orange color, all over body, florals with zari and green color thread florals, and we got a double shade orange and red, very beautiful. Coming to the border, we got floral zal and zari kadi. Fabulous pallu with huge florals and zari kadi and finishing with tassels. We got a plain blouse with small kadi border. The saree cost is 4,100, offer price is 2,870. Next saree. This Kora saree we got in a yellow and blue color combination, all over body, checks and florals combination, multicolor florals, and we got a medium border with silver kadi and abstract booties. We got a brocade pallu, contrast one. We got a contrast brocade blouse. This saree cost is 3,300, offer price is 2,310. Next saree. Same design, one more color combination, that is navy blue and red color. Very bright, all over body, multicolor florals and checks, and medium border, contrast with kadi and abstract booties, and pallu, brocade pallu, contrast. And we got a contrast blouse, brocade and with border. This saree cost is 3,300 and offer price is 2,310. Next saree. One more color in the same design, green and blue color combination. All over the body, checks and multicolor florals with nice weaving. And medium border with silver zari and abstract booties. And we got a brocade contrast pallu. And we got a contrast blouse, brocade and with border. This saree cost is 3,300, offer price is 2,310. To purchase this saree, click on the saree code given in the description. It directs our website and makes your shopping very easy. While purchasing, if you are facing any issues, drop a message on our WhatsApp number 8926760760. Our customer support team will get back to you. Next saree. One more amazing combination in the same design, that is blue and green color. All over body, checks and multicolor floral weaving. Coming to the border, contrast medium border with silver kadi and abstract booties. And we got a contrast brocade pallu. And the blouse is contrast brocade and with border. The saree cost is 3,300, offer price is 2,310. Next saree. And with this combination in the same pattern, you're going to take all the eyes on you. This is very beautiful. Peach and navy blue color combination, all over body, checks and florals. And we got a medium border, silver kadi and pallu, contrast brocade pallu. And the blouse is contrast brocade with border. The saree cost is 3,300 and offer price is 2,310. For more collections and updates, do follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Next saree. One more color combination in the pattern that I wore today. Red and pink color combination, all over body, florals, and for body we got a dual shade, red and pink. And coming to the border, we got a nice thread weaving, floral zal and small zari kadi. Coming to the pallu, zari huge florals, kadi and beautiful finishing with tassels. We got a plain blouse with small kadi border. The saree cost is 4,100 and offer price is 2,870. Next saree. There is one more lovely combination in the same design, that is light blue and dark blue combination, all over body with pink color thread weaving, florals. And border, we got a medium border with floral zal and small kadi. Coming to the pallu, we got a beautiful pallu, huge florals and kadi combination. fabulous finishing with tassels. We got a plain blouse with border. The saree cost is 4,100 and after discount it is 2,870. Next saree. One more amazing combination in the same pattern, green, light green and dark green combination. All over body, florals, and we got a dual shade, that is light green and dark green. We got a medium border with floral zal and zari kadi. We got pallu with huge florals and finishing with tassels. We got a plain blouse with kadi border. The saree cost is 4,100. After discount it is 2,870. Ladies, we are continuously updating our new collections in our WhatsApp group. To join our WhatsApp group, click on the WhatsApp link given in the description so that you will never miss out our new collections. Next saree. There are a lot of colorful combinations and various designs. Some are exclusively picked up for you. Here is one more, yellow and orange color combination, very different. All over body, florals, and body we got dual shade, yellow and orange. And the border, medium border with floral zal, thread weaving and kadi border. And coming to the pallu, floral zal, kadi and fabulous finishing with tassels. We got a plain blouse with kadi border. The saree cost is 4,100. After discount it is 2,870. Ladies, all these saree links are given in the description. Just click on the saree code. It will direct our website and makes your shopping very easy. COD, that is cash on delivery option, is also available in India and shipping is free all over the India. What else you need, ladies? Hurry up, click on the saree codes and shop with Kalamandir. Let's see next saree. And one more lovely combination in the same design, that is navy blue and dark blue combination. All over body, florals, and we got a medium border with floral zal and kadi border. Coming to the pallu, floral zal and kadi border and finished with nice tassels. And we got a plain blouse with kadi border. The saree cost is 4,100. After discount it is 2,870. Ladies, prices are very reasonable and Kalamandir is giving you 30%. Hurry up, click on the saree codes given in the description. It will direct our website and makes your shopping very easy. Hope you all like today's beautiful and amazing collection, Banarasi Kora sarees. There is one more beautiful saree waiting just beside me. Have a look on that. Here is Akruti silk sarees. I have few more colors and various patterns in the same collection, and here is with this saree with big border, very nice brown color saree, and stunning black color and grey color combination with big border, very nice. And here is perfect traditional combination, light green and dark green color combination. And this collection I am going to showcase in the next episode. For more updates on our weekend live shows, do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for choosing our brand Kalamandir. Have a wonderful shopping experience with Kalamandir. This is Radhika signing off.